Welcome to The Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs.
Hey everyone, welcome to this presentation on Natural Language Querying NLQ with Generative AI. I am Rongali Sandeep Kumar, working as Research Associate in Machine Learning in Miracle Software Systems, and today we're diving into how you can make data analysis more accessible and efficient using the power of AI. Our agenda is: we'll start by understanding what generative AI is and how it's revolutionizing the way we work with data. Next, we'll explore the core concept of natural language querying, how it lets you ask questions about data in plain English. We'll take a look at how NLQ translates your questions into database commands, making it all work seamlessly. We'll discuss how NLQ addresses the key challenges of traditional data access and empowers everyone to explore data with ease. Get ready to learn why NLQ is essential for businesses looking to gain insights from their data in today's world. We'll dive into the features that make NLQ so powerful, including its user-friendly interface, real-time processing, and cross-platform compatibility. We'll take a look at the architectural components of a typical NLQ system to understand how it all comes together, and the next live demo of how to use NLQ to get insights from a real dataset, showing you how easy and powerful it can be. Now, introduction of generative AI. Generative AI is a branch of artificial intelligence focused on creating new content by learning patterns from existing data. It utilizes advanced models like generative adversarial network scans and variational autoencoders VAEs to generate text, images, music, and other media. This technology has diverse applications including content creation, data augmentation, and interactive systems such as chatbots and virtual assistants. In healthcare, it aids in drug discovery, medical imaging, and personalized medicine. In entertainment, it powers dynamic video game content and generates realistic animations. Generative AI offers benefits like efficiency, creativity, and scalability, but also poses challenges related to quality control, bias, and ethical considerations. Its ability to personalize content enhances user experience, while ongoing research aims to improve the technology's accuracy and fairness. As the field advances, it holds the potential to revolutionize various industries by enabling innovative solutions and personalized experiences. Coming to introduction of natural language querying. Natural language querying NLQ is a mechanism that enables users to ask questions about data analysis in common language, either typed or spoken. This approach is particularly beneficial for those who are not proficient in programming languages, as it simplifies the process of querying data. Upon receiving a query, the system uses machine learning algorithms to analyze it and generate charts and reports, facilitating data interpretation and aiding business decision making. NLQ streamlines data retrieval by allowing users to bypass complex and time-consuming traditional data access methods, such as navigating multiple systems and learning specific query languages like SQL. NLQ addresses the difficulty in understanding complex data schemas by translating queries into understandable data requests. This reduces the time spent on data preparation, allowing users to focus more on analysis. NLQ enhances productivity, efficiency, user satisfaction, and data accessibility, making it an essential tool for modern data access. Coming to behind the scenes natural language querying. Natural language querying involves the processes and technologies that enable the interpretation and execution of natural language queries. This typically includes first, query parsing. The system passes the natural language input to understand the user's intent and identify relevant keywords and phrases. Second, machine learning algorithms. These algorithms analyze the parsed query to determine the most appropriate data sources and the best way to structure the query for those sources. Third, query translation. The natural language query is translated into a structured query language SQL that can be executed against a database. Fourth, data retrieval. The structured query is run against the database to retrieve the requested information. Finally, response generation. The retrieved data is then formatted into a user-friendly report, chart, or visualization, providing the user with the information they need in a comprehensible format. This process leverages generative AI to improve the accuracy and relevance of the results, making it easier for users to interact with data without needing technical expertise. Coming to addressing key barriers in data access. Complex and time-consuming data access. Traditional methods involve navigating multiple systems and processes, which can slow down data retrieval. NLQ addresses this by allowing users to query data in natural language, speeding up the process and making it more intuitive. Knowledge of specific query languages like SQL accessing data traditionally requires proficiency in query languages, such as SQL, which many business users may not possess. This knowledge gap often hinders their ability to perform timely and insightful data analysis. NLQ bridges this gap by enabling users to interact with data using natural language queries. Rather than needing SQL expertise, users can ask questions like what were our top selling products last quarter NLQ systems, then translate these queries into the appropriate commands or queries needed to access and retrieve the required data. This democratizes data access, empowering non-technical users to extract meaningful insights independently. Difficulty understanding complex data schemas characterized by numerous tables, fields, and relationships can overwhelm users and impede their ability to navigate and interpret data effectively. Imagine a scenario where a database contains hundreds of tables with intricate relationships. NLQ simplifies data exploration by abstracting the complexity of these underlying data structures. Users can ask straightforward questions such as show customer demographics by region, and the NLQ system handles the intricacies of the schema transparently. This makes it easier for users to find and understand relevant data without needing to delve into the technical details of database structures. Time-consuming data preparation over analysis. Data preparation often consumes significant time, leaving less room for actual analysis. AI-driven automation, such as generative AI tools, can reduce this burden by automating data cleaning and preparation tasks, allowing analysts to focus more on data analysis and deriving insights. Coming to why NLQ is essential for modern data access. Accessibility. NLQ revolutionizes data access by breaking down barriers for non-technical users. It empowers business professionals from marketers to executives to directly interact with data without needing deep technical skills or extensive training in SQL or other query languages. This accessibility reduces the reliance on departments or data specialists, enabling faster decision making and more agile business operations efficiency. NLQ transforms the way users retrieve information from databases by converting everyday language queries into structured database queries automatically. This automation eliminates the need for users to manually construct complex SQL queries or navigate intricate data schemas. As a result, NLQ accelerates the data retrieval process, saving valuable time and effort, and ensuring that users can swiftly access the insights they need to drive business outcomes. User satisfaction. NLQ enhances user experience by making data interaction intuitive and seamless. By allowing users to ask questions in natural language and receiving accurate, actionable answers, NLQ significantly improves user satisfaction. This simplicity encourages more frequent use of data analytics tools across departments, fostering a data-driven culture where insights drive innovation and informed decision making. Enhanced productivity. By automating the query formulation process, NLQ frees up users to focus on high-value activities such as data analysis, interpretation of insights, and strategic decision making. This shift from query writing to data interpretation enhances overall productivity, enabling organizations to extract maximum value from their data assets and stay ahead in competitive markets. Next, key features of NLQ. User-friendly interface. NLQ utilizes everyday language, ensuring that users at all levels of technical expertise can effortlessly interact with data. This intuitive approach reduces the learning curve traditionally associated with querying databases, empowering a broader range of users to harness the power of data analytics. Automated query interpretation. NLQ excels in automatically converting natural language queries into precise database commands. By eliminating the need for users to manually write SQL queries or understand complex data structures, NLQ streamlines the data retrieval process, saving significant time and effort. Real-time processing. NLQ delivers instantaneous responses to queries, enabling users to access up-to-date information promptly. This real-time capability ensures that decision makers have access to the latest insights, facilitating agile responses to market changes and operational needs. Cross-platform compatibility. NLQ is designed to operate seamlessly across various devices and platforms. Whether accessed through desktop computers, mobile devices, or integrated into other business applications, NLQ offers flexibility and accessibility, ensuring consistent user experience and data accessibility across organizational functions. Enhanced data accessibility NLQ plays a crucial role in democratizing data access within organizations. By providing easy and intuitive access to data analytics tools, NLQ empowers business users across departments to independently retrieve and analyze data, fostering a data-driven culture that promotes informed decision-making at all levels. Now coming to solution architecture. User interface UI, this is where the user interacts with the system, which can be a web interface, mobile app, or voice-activated device. Users input their queries or commands in natural language. Natural language processing, NLP engine, this component processes the user's natural language input and converts it into a structured format that the system can understand. It involves tasks like tokenization, syntactic analysis, and semantic understanding. Query translator, once the NLP engine processes the query, the structured output is translated into a formal query language suitable for querying the data source. This could involve translating to SQL for relational databases or another query language for different types of data sources. Data source, this is the repository where the required data resides, such as databases, data warehouses, spreadsheets, or external APIs. The system needs access to retrieve information from here. Data retrieval and processing, using the translated query, the system retrieves the relevant data from the data source. This step may involve filtering, aggregation, or other data processing tasks to prepare the data for analysis. Now, generative AI model. Generate summaries. The AI model can create concise summaries of the data findings, highlighting key insights or trends, produce visualizations. It can generate charts, graphs, or other visual representations to present the data in an easily understandable format. Generate explanations, provide insights and contextual understanding of the data retrieved, explaining patterns or anomalies discovered. The final results from the generative AI model are presented to the user in a user-friendly format, such as a graphical dashboard, interactive report, textual summary, or a combination of these elements. This ensures that users can easily interpret and utilize the insights gained from the data. Now, let's dive into live demo of natural language querying with generative AI. Welcome to Ask My Data. For this application, we have used BigQuery for databases, and the table inside is related to drivers violations. With Ask My Data, you can monitor critical metrics such as speeding events, seatbelt violations, harsh driving events, excessive idling time and fuel consumption, or detailed vehicle summaries highlight the number of speeding events per vehicle and identify the most and least improved vehicles. But that's not all. The Ask My Data dashboard goes beyond standard reporting with its powerful AI-powered query feature. With Query with AI, you can ask questions in natural language and our AI will generate the right query to uncover insights hidden within your fleet data. To access the Query with AI feature, simply click the Query with AI button on the dashboard. A chat window will open and it is ready to accept your natural language questions. For those who are unfamiliar with this application and are unsure about what questions to ask, we have included some suggested prompts here. Let's ask a question. Is there a noticeable difference in the frequency or type of driving events between the two companies represented in the dataset? When we click on Enter, our AI engine processes your question, understands the context of your data and automatically generates the appropriate query. It then presents a comprehensive answer, including a clear explanation of the results addressing your question directly. Along with the answer, you'll also see the underlying SQL code that the AI used to generate the results. This is accompanied by an explanation of the query, making it easier for those who may not be familiar with SQL to understand the logic behind it. Context, it is the explanation of the SQL query, that it helps to determine whether the generated SQL query is linked to the user's question or not. When the context is seen, it becomes clear for the people who are not familiar with SQL language. The data retrieved from BigQuery is presented in a table format. Additionally, our model processes this data to generate graphs, making the insights readily understandable. To make your dashboard truly dynamic, you have to click on Pin to Dashboard. You can add titles to the generated graphs. Once you've titled your graphs, click on the Pin button to add them to your dashboard. You can then move the graphs and tables as per your requirement, creating a personalized view that best suits your needs for your requirement. In this application, we have used language translation. It can be translated to user preferred language. We can also download the table by clicking on Download button. With Ask My Data's query with AI feature, gaining insights from your fleet data has never been easier. Just ask your questions in natural language, let our AI do the rest, and customize your dynamic dashboard to make data-driven decisions today with Ask My Data. Thank you.
Thank you for watching The Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs. For more on innovation, please visit miraclesoft.com/thelabs.